Design thinking is something we use often at Sask INC to solve problems. But what is it?
Design thinking, according to the Interaction Design Foundation, is a process that involves focusing on the users and redefining the problem to find alternate solutions that may not first been thought of. It is often referred to as out-of-the-box thinking.
Design thinking is often called human-centered design. It tasks the designers to ask the users how they feel about a product or service to define the user experience. Empathy is key in design thinking. The designers use empathy to determine how the users feel about a product or service. Design thinking has many different varieties of steps on how to complete the process. These steps don't have to occur linearly, as they can occur simultaneously or repeatedly. These steps vary on design, emphasize, ideate, prototype, and test.
Design thinking is best shown with examples, so today we'll be going through a compressed version of a design thinking problem, since design thinking cannot be done quickly. The problem we will be doing today is a complicated problem of air travel. The first step is to determine who the users are and their overall experience. The users in this case would be the passengers, and the user experience would be how comfortable and accommodating the flight is, whether that is the actual flight or the booking or boarding process.
The next step would be to define a problem statement that aims to improve the user's experience. The problem statement is that the passengers want their experience to be as comfortable and accommodating as possible.
After the problem statement is made, it is time to brainstorm possible solutions to the problem statement. After brainstorming possible solutions to the airline problem, the solutions that were determined are softer seats for more legroom and a more streamlined and simpler booking and boarding system to lower confusing and waiting times.
The next step is to prototype the idea that was found. In the air travel problem, this could be a problem of a better designed seating area or a spreadsheet describing the better booking and boarding experience.
The final step in the design process for the air travel problem is to test. This can be done by interviewing frequent flyers to determine if the solution would improve their experience, and if not, then it's time to go back to brainstorming and find a better solution that would improve the user experience.
Thank you for joining us for this explanation of design thinking. Sask INC would love to talk to you and your team on how design thinking can help your team innovate.